Hi, this is Danny Weber with the Texas Property Manager based in Austin, Texas, with locations in Houston, Belton, Temple, Killeen, Coppers Cove, Dallas, and Austin. Today we're going to talk about avoiding legal issues, which is important both from an owner standpoint and a tenant standpoint. We're going to run through some quick notes and then reference a couple resources that you can look at any time. First thing is know the applicable laws, and the laws for the state of Texas outside of any case laws can be found in Chapter 92 of the Texas Property Code. And there are numerous resources online that you can get to that explain these and have the Texas Property Code verbatim that you can get to. And I'll share a link to that in the notes of the video on YouTube. We want to use clear lease agreements, and we use promulgated forms from the Texas Real Estate Commission and Austin Board of Realtors, or whatever the applicable local board is for the forms. We have some addendums that we use, but in general, our forms are all promulgated, drafted by attorneys. We screen tenants thoroughly, meaning we do credit, income, asset checks, history of employment, employment verification, eviction history, foreclosure history, and make sure that we have the best tenant for your property. We maintain properties. One of the most important things you can do as an owner is to ensure that your property is in good condition and that there are no safety or security concerns at all on the property. And we do inspections both before and after tenants move in and when they vacate with photos. And if there's anything that we find, we will bring it to your attention. And some of the repairs we will mandate if there's safety or security issues, and then other repairs may be suggestions to get higher rents in the area. Respect fair housing laws, and we do not discriminate based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, family status, or disability. All of our applicants are treated equally and fairly. We do follow security deposit laws, and there are actual wear and tear laws, and I've got a quick reference here that you can look at that tells you what is a normal wear and tear versus something that the tenant would be responsible for. And here are just a few examples of that. Normal wear and tear would be faded paint versus spot painting, patching, or touch-up painting of any type. Faded caulking would be normal wear and tear versus missing caulking. Loose or stubborn door locks, normal wear and tear. Broken or missing would be a damageable charge. And you can run through these at your convenience, and I'll scroll through these slowly so that you have time to capture these on your screen. And not all of these things are black and white. Some of them are in the gray area, and if they're in the gray area, then we'll get with the tenant and the owner and figure out a happy medium that makes these are them. And we've got our owners sign this so that they are acknowledging this. So normal wear and tear laws are important in the state of Texas to follow. Document everything. And so part of our online portal system for both owners and tenants and vendors actually as well is everything that comes in is time and date stamped. So for instance, if a tenant submits a maintenance request, that is time and date stamped in there, and then all of our responses go through the portal so that there's no miscommunication in any way, shape, or format between the tenants, owners, or vendors. Incredibly important to document everything. If we have any issues whatsoever in any direction, we will typically resort to written communication only, and normally 100% through the portal. So we provide notices as required by law. Normally the leases require a 24-hour notice to tenants for entry, and of course if an eviction happens, then we follow the letter of the law, and we've got a documented linear process for that. We'll keep you updated on any changes in property laws that the owners or both tenants may need to adhere to. It's important to keep liability insurance on your property, and we recommend typically minimum $300,000 of general liability coverage, and we talk a little bit more about that during the onboarding process for owners. We also mandate rental insurance for our tenants, so we don't release keys unless the tenants provide us with rental insurance, and we have a we have an avenue that they can get that through our online portal if they choose to. And then, of course, if you have any other questions about avoiding legal issues, we have an attorney that you can speak with that is on retainer with our company. One other thing I'd like to mention, we are not giving any legal advice. This is simply a video for us to pass along some information to our clients and tenants, owners and tenants. If you have any questions, certainly you can reach out to us at info@pm512.com. Our phone number is 512-337-9396. My name is Danny Weber. I am the broker for the company. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.